Sometimes, but just sometimes, you come across a tool that will double your productivity on your website creation. And that's exactly what Turbo Admin does. It makes your lives twice as easy within WordPress. So let's have a look. Let's take a look at this example. Now I'm adding tutorials for my website. So this is a new updated website, and I want to add a new post. For example, I want to add tutorial 1. We save this as draft, and then we go to edit with bricks, and we go ahead and add our contents, like our section, our post title. Maybe we can make it even easier. We open this one up, we add our title, our text, and a rich text. We hit save for the draft. And now I want to add another one. So we need to go back into our WordPress, press the WordPress button again, and meanwhile wait, and we will add a new tutorial. So we'll add a new post. So this will be tutorial 3. We save this as draft, then we edit in bricks. If you ask me, this was quite long, and you can do this faster. So let's hit save. And now let's press our shortcut, Ctrl-Alt-X. I've set that one up for Turbo Admin. And now you see that there's a spotlight-like overlay. We can type in, for example, tutorials, and we'll add a new tutorials. When we hit enter, we're already inside of WordPress. We'll add tutorial 4, we save as draft, and then we edit in bricks. So as you can see, this can already save a bit of time. Now, for example, we want to edit an existing tutorial. We can also do that via here. We press Ctrl-Alt-X, we go search for tutorials, we press in the T, and we can edit any of our existing tutorial. We can open up, we can either view, edit, or copy link. And if we want to edit, we can leave this page. And there we go. We can edit the website inside of Gutenberg Editor. Now, if you, for example, want to add a page, you can just type in page and you will be able to add a new page. As you can see, this can really speed up the process because you don't have to wait for every time that the dashboard will load before you see something else happening. And this can significantly speed up your website creation. I've used this at my day job, and it really speed up adding new pages, especially when using Elementor, a few of the plugins that are already installed, and then needing to add like 5 or 6 pages. This was way faster with Turbo Admin. And the best part is that this is a browser extension. You pay $35 and can use it in 6 browsers for a limited amount of websites. And the fun thing is, $35 is just a one-time payment. So you can pay once and then use it forever. Now, there are things that you can't do. For example, if you want to install a plugin, you need to go to the plugin and press add new plugin. But you can't directly do it from the Turbo Admin. However, this will definitely speed up your workflow inside of your WordPress dashboard. So this was a very quick overview of Turbo Admin and how easy you can save time for $35 for a one-time payment. It's just an insane no-brainer. So if you liked it, there will be a link down in the description below. And if you like this video, then hit subscribe, of course. And I will catch you all on the next one. Keep designing.